Guys, Hobo here. Wow, it's just like a flooded area. The entire my front yard, basically, down here near my tent, it's okay, but over there is where it started building up, and it kind of goes under my tent. The problem with the tent I have now is that it's got like a bucket bottom, but it doesn't like go up the sides at all like it used to. So what I did was, when I was at the store yesterday, I went ahead and purchased that blue tarp. And basically last night, I tried setting it up inside my tent, but it was all folded and firm, and it was very difficult to do. So I went ahead and took it out of my tent last night because I noticed that building up near my tent, and then I basically got that tarp, wrapped it around or underneath my tent, and pulled it up like 6 inches. It's not much, but it's only supposed to rain a couple of inches. They're calling this thing an atmospheric river that's happening. I don't know why they have to come up with some weird name, an atmospheric river. Like, they used to call them like storm fronts, but now it's like we got to get creative. People are tired of hearing the same old crap. But look at this. This is normally not here. I mean, it is a low area. I'm so glad I got my my waterproof boots. Like, what are they called? They're like Sorels, but I don't know. But this right over here, this is my whole path. My whole path to get out of here is just covered in water. And I don't know if I'll go this way or not. Like, I'm tired of hearing the rainfall. Normally it's very pleasant listening to the rain at my camp, but on the tarp, but it's just been going to town lately, and I am sick of it. I can't believe it rained this much. I mean, and wow, look at this whole area. But like, going to my tent, it like, you just get tired of that sound of the rain, and I don't know, I kind of paid the price. I should have scouted out a better campsite. That would have been smart. But I didn't. I've been here like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and I've been kind of, slacking, honestly. I just haven't had the energy. After you set up a new tent, my foot's stuck in the mud. This is great. Okay. Wow. But after you set up a couple of campsites, it just gets old, You get tired of it. But like, my foot got stuck and I had to yank like 3 or 4 times for it to come out. But yeah, this is very annoying. I should have set up back here. My tent's over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's the brown one. But anyway, I guess I'll talk a little bit later. But right now, I'm just set up with the rain and the flooding, and I'm so glad I had a few bucks to get that blue tarp to put underneath. It was like $4 cheaper than brown tarp, so I got the blue one, and that I was able to get that set up properly. It was a pain in the butt. It was raining pretty hard last night, and I was trying to slide that tarp underneath the tent, and I don't have a lot of gear, but probably 30-40 pounds, maybe more, and it was annoying. But I did get it under there, and hopefully this rain will be over soon. The really good thing is that the temperature is like 55 degrees, and that is awesome. I mean, even at night, like when I got up last night, it was 52. Oh goodness. Every time I step into this stuff, my foot goes into a little crater of some sort. This is bad. I'll get back to you guys later. Yeah, so it's the next day since I did that last video, and it's raining the entire day pretty much. We've got a little bit of a breather right now, but it's one of those things when you check the weather, you just see all these clouds and you're like, oh my gosh. I mean, I'm grateful that I was able to get that tarp and have it set up so that I don't really have to worry necessarily. But it feels like my tent is smaller inside. When I move the tent, it just feels like so much smaller. I don't know what I did. And also I guess somehow I moved my tent, like my mat or whatever, so now my back hurts when I sleep again. I don't know, it is what it is. It's just the nature of the beast. I should have been more prepared. I should have, when I got back out here, I just haven't had the energy, just tired really, tired of dealing with camp stuff, thinking about the future and what I can do, and really kind of hoping that the next couple of months pass pretty well, and that I can start walking down the coast. That'd be nice, I mean, I'd get some exercise, which I desperately need, and just to see something different. Sometimes that's all the medicine you need, but I don't know. I'm just I'm tired here. Like, I don't know if it's the area, the energy. Maybe it's just that it's the latter part of winter. It's getting warmer, that's for sure. But sometimes it'll be like 52 and it'll feel like 42. I don't know what's going on with that. But I'm about to head out and get to the library and stuff, and just that's nowadays that's where I go to feel normal. I'll go to the library and I'll sit down on one of their little fake couches. It's like fake couches or fake chairs that's they're comfortable enough, but it's not like you'd put anything in your living room. It's like something you would put in I don't know, like an office or something. But I really need the time off, and so I'm gonna go to the library and just hopefully that's a couple hours that I don't have to think about. I can just rest, charge my stuff, get some water, all that stuff. Anyway, I hope your road's a good one, and if you're homeless, I hope it doesn't suck for you. Peace.